Electrophilic addition reactions of alkenes. In this chapter, we'll talk about all the electrophilic addition reactions of alkenes. Here is a picture of all the reactions that we'll be covering in this chapter. We will begin with the hydrohalogenation, and then we will go all the way around the circle to complete all the reactions in the circle. In hydrohalogenation, we'll be adding a hydrogen and an halogen across the double bond. And here are the two new sigma bonds that are created. So this is hydrohalogenation. The next reaction is acid catalyzed hydration of alkene to give alcohol. So this is hydration. And in order for this reaction to happen, you need to have acid. Okay. This is going to give us an alcohol. And the next reaction is similar to the hydration of alkene, where instead of water, we'll be adding alcohol. So in which case it's going to give us ether. The next reaction is hydroboration, and this reaction is oxidation. It should always be followed by oxidation to get the final product. So this is also going to give us alcohol, but the alcohol that you get from here is definitely different from the one that you get from acid catalyzed hydration. And the next reaction is oxymercuration, followed by reduction, or you can also call this as demercuration. This is also going to form an alcohol, but this alcohol and the alcohol that you get from here through the acid catalyzed hydration of an alkene, they are one and the same. This next reaction is halogenation, where you will form a vicinal dihalide. And the next reaction is Halohydrin formation. So this is your halogen. This is an OH, right? So this molecule, when you have an halogen on one carbon, hydroxy group on the other carbon, then it's called as an halohydrin. The next reaction is the formation of cis-diol, for which we'll be using osmium tetroxide. When alkenes undergo ozonolysis, followed by reduction, it's going to give us carbonyl compounds. Depending upon the substitution across the double bond, it's going to give us only aldehydes or ketones, or a mixture of aldehydes and ketones. And this reaction is the formation of epoxide. Alkenes react with peroxy acids. This is peroxy acid. When you have one extra oxygen in a carboxylic acid, then it's a peroxy acid. It's going to give us epoxide. The last reaction is simply a catalytic hydrogenation, where the hydrogens are going to get added to the double bond.